Hello everybody, welcome to DIONIX Inc., where we provide trade lines, being primary and authorized representative trade lines. We also help people with building credit and repairing credit. We also help people with Administrative Procedure Acts and many other specified services that are applicable on our website. We also have our Web3 DeFi platform, which we can help you exchange and make cryptocurrency from the ASA network and also with the Ethereum network. With that said, this video is going to show you how to use our Buy Now Pay Later to build your credit. Initially, when you bind the credit builder program that is applicable with DIONIX.us, we are enabling you to teach you how to utilize Cushion.ai or Grow Credit, or both, to build your credit, which will provide you revolving credit, and utilize a Buy Now Pay Later credit or revolving credit. So when you purchase your product, you first must log in. Once you log in, go to the store. Specifically, there are services. The services are for our third-party members and also our who are our partners with DIONIX.us and also with primary employees within DIONIX.us, and we have our shop. You want to go to our shop. When you go to our shop, you want to select the product that you want. Let's say I want to purchase Algorand, which is from our shop, $210. I want to now add one Algorand being for $210, which I will receive 200 Algorand coins. So I'll add this to my cart. Now click on View Cart. Once you do that, you want to click on Pay Later with PayPal. Once you do this, you want to log in. So let's change this right now. Excellent. Now that you've logged in, now it's going to ask you how would you like to pay. Now you can directly add your credit card so that it will directly pay, but you don't want to do that. You want to exit out, and then you want to select either the pay in full or pay monthly. It is personally your choice. If you want to pay monthly, it will be 6 payments in monthly payments, or you can pay in full, which would be $52.50 for 4 payments. Initially, by doing this, you want to use your Cushion.ai or Grow Credit, which by utilizing that card will allow your revolving credit to build and also help your credit score build with the 3 credit bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. To learn more in terms of the credit building process, please purchase our product being DIONIX Inc. Credit Builder process, which I will show you now. Once you purchase our product, it will teach you how to utilize our tactics and build your credit score. So you could come from the lowest being a 300 credit score all the way to an 800 credit score fast within 3 months. Here's the product right here. You can purchase our $450, which is a one-time full payment, or you can pay our $60, which is 2 weeks for 8 weeks, being $60 in multiple payments. Or you could do our Buy Now Pay Later, which is $15 additionally. With that said, thank you for your time, and I want everybody to have a great day.